Hello? How can I help you?
Hello?
Yeah, how can I help you, sir?
Ah, what about the almond, is it?
Excuse me?
The chocolate L?
Yeah, it is Chuck Liddell, yeah. And I'm gonna kick your ass if you don't tell me what you want.
What can I do for you?
No, what can I do for you? You rang my phone.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, you did. You rang my phone.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No!
Can you please tell me what you want, sir?
I would like you to come in and cut these trees down for me, please.
Cut some trees down. I'll tell you what, I'll cut you down if you don't tell me what you want.
I don't want nothing.
Well, you rang my phone, so why you ring my phone?
You just rang my phone.
I didn't ring your phone!
You did, it just rang, I wouldn't have answered it.
My phone started ringing and I just answered the goddamn phone. Alright, can you tell me what you want?
Nothing. Goodbye.
Well, what's the point of ringing my phone then?
Don't ring me.
I didn't ring you, you rang me!
No!
Yes, you did!
No!
Yes, you did!
No!
Look, oh my, you're an asshole. You know, can you tell me what you want?
Nothing. Goodbye.
Well, then don't ring my phone. Fuck off.
Don't phone mine.
Fuck off then.
Fuck off. Fuck you.